Not all great artwork is a massive statue or huge mural, so don't let Tahoe SPORT's easy to trailer, easy to drive size fool you. This overachieving, energetic boat is living proof that great art comes in small packages. The Tahoe Sport comes in 3 classic configurations. Sport Cruise features both double corner benches up front and a grand corner seating area in the stern. And yes, all the furniture is Matrix 50 soft touch. But what makes the Cruise so special is that it comes in small sizes without sacrificing any attention to detail and quality. And it's available in 2 floor plans, regular and rear bench. Regular has the traditional split rear sun deck housing the optional privacy station and more storage. The rear bench version has a rear-facing bench on the rear deck for more seating instead of the privacy station. All Cruise models come with a Cadet 2 Rotocast helm stand, a powerful 4-speaker Fusion RA55 sound system, a removable table, and the ability to personalize everything from the type and color of your flooring to power performance packages for larger models up to 250 horsepower. With Tahoe's Sport Cruise, you'll be, like the song says, cruising on a Sunday afternoon every day of the year. Quad Lounge features lounging benches made with Matrix 50 seat covering in all 4 corners. Quad Lounge gives max options for seating, lounging, storage, and even weight distribution throughout the boat. Quad Lounge has many options, especially power performance options up to 200 horsepower. Quad Lounge also comes with great standard features including a Cadet 2 Rotocast helm stand with gray wood dash panels, a tack, volt, and fuel gauges. Quad Lounge also comes with a Fusion RA55 stereo with Fusion EL speakers, plus USB inputs and charge ports. Personalize your Quad Lounge with your choice of many optional upgrades. The Tahoe Sport Quad Lounge is, simply put, comfortably versatile. The Fish series is our most varied, with 5 floor plans and lots of options. Rear Fish. Need a versatile pontoon that says you love to fish? Rear Fish combines fishing and fun perfectly by providing 2 fishing chairs in the aft area while leaving the rest of the boat dedicated to cruising and hanging out. Rear Fish satisfies those 2 essential needs. Rear Fish is available in 16-foot, 18-foot, and 20-foot versions. This versatile pontoon is perfect for the family that wants to fish and play all day long. Bow Fish dedicates 2 fishing chairs in the bow area of the pontoon. The aft portion of the pontoon houses a rear corner seating area with live well and a rear-facing bench. Bowfish can be personalized with tons of options, including sport performance packages. The Bowfish is available in 14-foot, 16-foot, and 18-foot versions, so whether you're looking for a large or a compact fishing boat, check out Sport Bowfish. Quadfish was designed to provide the optimal fishing experience for serious anglers. With a setup that includes 4 fishing stations, 2 in the bow and 2 in the stern, plus live well and rod holders, Quadfish is a great, roomy, balanced alternative to expensive, tipsy, flat-bottom fishing boats. And Quadfish is available in 16 or 18-foot versions, so it even has room for entertaining. Need a bit more room for your expanding group? Now you can have it all with Fishing Cruise, a perfectly balanced fishing and cruising pontoon. Fish from the bow chairs outside the front walls and feel right on top of nature, or from the rear 2 fishing stations located inside the rear rail. Or maybe relax in the fully furnished midsection with room for up to 6 adults. Fishing Cruise is a mid-sized treasure, available in 20 or 22-foot sizes. Perfect for a group outing every day of the week. Need a fishing option for your new pontoon? Then choose Cruise Bowfish. Sure, Cruise Bowfish has the classic cruise setup with roomy corner seating and removable table in the rear, plus the classic cruise sun decks off the stern. Cruise Bowfish offers the additional feature of 2 fishing chairs in the bow outside the wall. Offered in both 18-foot and 20-foot lengths, this compact option works for cruising, lounging, and of course, fishing. Tahoe Sport is a work of art that's easy on the eyes and easier on the wallet. So think big by thinking small, because you simply will not find a better pontoon for the money. Experience the art of the pontoon with Tahoe's Sport Series. Tahoe, a work of art for every budget.